Viewers, amid the Ram Navami celebrations in Bengal, a war of words has been raising between BJP and the TMC. This fight has exploded with the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, while hitting out at the TMC, said that the people have got the permission of courts and the Shobha Yatra on Ram Navami will be taken out in Bengal. He also asserted that despite all the attempts by the TMC, this was the first occasion when Lord Ram was seated in Ayodhya and the grand procession will take place. On the other hand, CM Mamata continues to fearmonger and has alleged that the BJP intends to stoke communal tensions in the Ram Navami celebrations. The CM also, during a rally in Bengal, just alleged that based on BJP's instructions, the DIG of Murshidabad was changed. Now, if there are riots in Murshidabad and Malda, the responsibility will lie with the Election Commission. She also added that the BJP wanted to change the police officers to trigger riots and violence. Listen in.
बंगाल में राम नवमी की शोभा यात्रा की परमिशन नहीं मिलती, उसके लिए श्रद्धालुओं को कोर्ट जाना पड़ता है। लेकिन रामनवमी और दुर्गा पूजा की शोभा यात्राओं पर पत्थर फेंकने वालों को टीएमसी सरकार ने पूरी परमिशन दे रखी है।
आज हमारे एक डीआईजी को भी मुर्शिदाबाद रेंज में चेंज कर दिया बीजेपी का बातों पे। अगर मुर्शिदाबाद मालदा में दंगा हो जाए तो इसको जमींदारी इलेक्शन कमीशन को लेना होगा कि हमको पता है कौन दंगा संभाल सकता है। आप जानबूझ के बीजेपी का बात पे आप चुन चुन के ऑफिसर चेंज करता है।
Now let's tell you what the court has said while granting permission for the Shobha Yatra. Well, the first condition that the court has leveled is procession should not have over 200 participants. So below 200, the permission is given to carry out a Shobha Yatra in Bengal. Condition number 2 is that display of any weapon is not allowed during the procession. Hence, this will trigger any tension in the area. The third condition that the court has put forward is that provocative slogans should not be raised. DJ or loud music during the procession is not allowed. And the last condition that the court has placed in forward to granting the Shobha Yatra is that only one vehicle carrying the idol is allowed. And these are the 4 conditions: that no loud music should be played, the idol should be carried in one vehicle, and more than 200 participants are not allowed in the Shobha Yatra. And that's how the Calcutta High Court has given the permission to carry out the Shobha Yatra today in Ram Navami celebrations. Well, viewers, will tell you more about this and much more in the next coming hours. So keep watching Times Now. We will be right back after this very short break.